Hi, Marcel here from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to show you guys how to install our T5 aluminum hardtop tri-fold tonneau cover on a Jeep Gladiator. Tyger's T5 model is our premium product, designed from aircraft-grade aluminum to offer you the best in protection and durability. With that being said, let's get right to the installation. Start by checking all the parts and hardware are accounted for. If needed, first apply the weather strip to the front rail so it's level and flush with both sides. We'll circle back to this later. Now fold back the cover so we can start applying the clamps. There are 3 pairs of clamps on this cover: front clamps, safety clamps, and the rear latches. For specific models with utility racks installed, which includes the Gladiator, Tyger tonneau covers do come with these additional special brackets for the clamps to work, so make sure you follow the instructions and install them before doing the clamps. We begin with the front clamps. Pull down the clamp from the bottom of the cover, apply pads on the vehicle surface to protect the paint. Hook the bed rail lip all the way into the jaw groove and start tightening the clamp knob until it's snug. If you have a type A or B bed liner installed that covers any part of the bed rail lip, follow the instructions to learn how to cut out a notch to allow the clamp to bite into. Moving on to the safety clamp. Same thing. Hook the clamp into the lip and tighten the knob. Onto the rear latch. Go ahead and lower it from the bottom of the cover. Now listen carefully on how to apply the rear latches to get the tightest fit. First, pull down the latch on the bottom of the cover and lower the handle position by rotating it. Then hold up the handle beyond 90 degrees to continue adjusting its vertical position. The optimal position is where the deepest part of the jaw groove being leveled with the lip of the bed rail while keeping the handle turned up. Then, with the other hand pressed down on the bed cover corner, hook the jaw to the bed rail lip and crank the handle down to the lock position. If you feel that the latch is still loose, lift up on the handle and adjust it until you achieve a tighter fit. Now check to see if you can close the tailgate. After that, open the tailgate again to look for any daylight showing from the front rail or the side rail area. If needed, apply additional layers of weather strip to fill any remaining gaps. Once you're happy with the result, release the latch and set the handle back into the groove on the bottom of the cover and fold it up. Use this buckle to stabilize the cover.